What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today, we'll be reviewing a lead online for a quality assurance manager position, and the name of this company is called Day Translations. All right, at this present time, it is 10:01 p.m. Friday, October, or rather September 24, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and at this time and date, this lead was posted 16 hours ago. It is a full-time position and it is truly international. Okay, there are many leads that are international, but they're only international for a certain region. All right, now again, it's remote worldwide, it's full-time, and you'll be in quality assurance. Now, a bit about the translations. It is a global translation and interpreting company. We help improve worldwide communication through accurate localized translations, interpretation and outsourcing services, and a wide variety of tailored language solutions for individuals, organizations, and businesses of all sizes. So, a bit more about this position. Again, full time, you can work from America, Europe, Middle East, Australia, and Asia. Okay? So that covers the pretty much the span of the entire world. And you will be reporting to the CEO of the company. Day Translations is announcing its career opening for the position of Quality Assurance Manager. We are seeking a hardworking, creative innovator who can work closely with our operations department and our project managers with the objective of creating a quality driven culture that ensures accountability in every activity. The successful candidate is a good communicator who can work well with all our departments and in a multicultural team. An ideal candidate has excellent managerial abilities and a good understanding on how translation management system works. This is a full-time remote position with benefits such as paid and non-paid time off. Paid time off benefits such as vacations, national and local holidays, sick leave, marriage leave, birthday leave, parental leave, and funeral leave. Bonuses such as Employee of the Month, Outstanding Performance Bonus, and Anniversary Bonus. Career development and growth with paid webinars and courses. Internet reimbursement. So these are your duties and responsibilities as a quality assurance manager. You will implement, monitor, and evaluate all activities related to quality assurance and quality control. You'll collaborate closely with our operations department supervisors and project managers to ensure quotes are done in time and follow-up procedures are done correctly. You will be responsible for daily compliance management and for maintaining and improving quality assurance processes, policies, procedures. You'll create improvement plans for our processes based on data analysis, and you'll identify root problems and handle client complaints. Now, typically, as a manager, these will be your main duties. But because you're a manager, you may have some duties overlapping with those of others. Or you may even find yourself going quote unquote above and beyond to help your staff and to help the company meet the quality or maintain the quality that was established by your employers. So that means you may be called upon whether, let's put it this way, you may see a space or a void that needs filling. Okay? You weren't asked to fill it, you weren't told to fill it, it wasn't required of you in your job description, but if you see something coming up or a recurring issue that needs rectifying, then you will need to be able to fix that issue to maintain the standard of quality that your employers have set. All right. It may even mean having one-on-one sessions with certain people to make sure that things go smoothly. All right. So here are some requirements that you will be asked to possess in order to be considered for this position. You need 2 to 3 years experience in quality assurance. A bachelor's degree field is preferred but not required. Experience with ISO 9001 and or other international standards and regulations. Ability to flourish with minimal guidance. Be proactive and handle uncertainty. Strong decision making, attention to detail, organizational and skills. Strong written and verbal communication skills in English. So you should either be native or a C1 level. And fluent in a foreign language is a plus. So you must have English, and a plus would be being able to speak another language. Now, candidates should be prepared to take additional tests or interviews. So, with that said, you may go ahead and press this button. How do you find this button? Well, when you watch the video and you've heard all you've needed to hear, whether you yourself are interested or a party that you know of is interested, what you will find is that in the bio, you will see the link, and you will actually go ahead and click that link. Okay? Now, I said bio, but what I meant was description. Okay? So, once you are able to watch this video, you've heard all the requirements. You don't need to read through this again. It sounds like you, or it sounds like someone you know. You either copy the link of the video and send it to that person, or you can post it on your social media, or just click the link. You will open up this page, scroll to the bottom of the page, press this blue button. Okay? All right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is indeed the Internet Income Ninja. I really appreciate you. And again, if you have been in this field, or any field for that matter, and you are trying to, do something new, you've done the 9 to 5, you've had the desire to start your own business and grow it, and you've decided that doing it online is the best way, or it doesn't matter to you, you just wanted to have your own business and you're not quite sure how to go about doing that, there's a link in the description below that teaches you how to start one of the simplest business models there is to start today. Okay? Press that link. That link will open up a page that will share information with you that's for free. From there, you can decide whether you want to opt in or not. There is a charge for this program to get you on your path to starting your own business. It's up to you to opt in or not. The information is free, but then if you decide to go all in, it's an investment in yourself and in your future and your family's future. So consider it an investment and not you paying for something. But if that sounds like something that you would love to try, click that link, get the information, make a decision. This, again, is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Peace.